Hello PRMS, this is Mr. Thompson with a short tutorial on how to analyze your pie chart for your weekly reflection and advisory around how you spend your time and any of the data that we have in Flex Scheduler. So in the box where it says time management and using Flex Scheduler, when you log on to Flex Scheduler, your pie chart will show up right away. And as you hover over the different options here, it will tell you the percentage and the number of times that you have attended a session that is categorized as Flex, for example, or Enrichment, Encore, Advisor, or Other. There is no correct pie chart. Your pie chart is going to be unique to you as an individual, because truly you should be signing up for what you need, because it's win time, what I need time. So right away, this is the chart that we want you to use. If you have an interest in looking at some different charts, you can down select and click on a schedule set. So for example, if you want to look at Thursday win times, right away it will show the overall one. But if you click see this schedule set graph, this shows you how this particular learner has used their Thursday win options. One time to an Encore class and one time to an Enrichment class. So that's how you use this. If you have questions, please feel free to ask your advisor or Mr. Thompson. One quick addition: if you're not seeing the pie graph, make sure when you logged in you tied it, you clicked here to start and tied it with your Google account. All right, that could be one thing if it's not working. Otherwise, it should work great for everybody. Thanks.